two Anstrlock number 140's, long shackle and short shackle, and I'm going to pick them with a short round hook. Start in the back. Fourth one's serated. No, it's a spool. The third one's serated, and skip the second one. So that one doesn't need to ever be set, and the last one is serated. That's it. Alright, this one you don't get nearly as much feedback from. See here, the first one's a serrated, or the fourth one's a serrated, the third one's spool, second is a standard, and the first is a spool. This gives you very little feedback. Start over. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.